the battery pack. It's being fed with solar. Inside refrigerator temperature, 39.3. Currently AC operation, temperature control. And our solar panels in parallel. 200 watt panels in the California sun. The Westfalia comes with a Dometic. This unit will operate either with 12 volts, the battery of the vehicle, propane stored on the vehicle, and alternating current that could be from outside the vehicle or from an inverter. This is the flame control, full flame when you set up for propane. This is the temperature control. This initiates the propane flow for the startup. This is also the air pump for starting, and it has a piezo igniter that creates a spark in the chamber below for initiating the cooling cycle under propane. We have an ice tray and the inside evaporator. Now we have two units. This is the second one, and you can see in the rear the coils on the condenser are much more significant, and this unit here is much smaller than the compressor. These units are very quiet. These have been modified for either a fan inside, as well as an external fan that will cool down the condenser. This is the ground connection. These are for the power connection.